popping, but these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. What the fuck you crying for? I'm moving surface, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, no sacred spot. We can't be outside 'cause the baggage to cry. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Tell me so. I'm up below, I'm out of range. Burning on the suddenly, I like to get it poppin'. But these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one know thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. Yeah. We fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but he don't match up with. So strong whatever you want. Whatever you need. Don't call me. Calling on the subtle, me, I like to get it poppin'. But these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit.
loves, welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is like a day in my life, so I'm about to go get braids. I was supposed to get up early. I got up early, but it was like raining a bit, so I went back to bed and my morning is late, but I can still make it. Indian or butterfly braids, one of that. But yeah, today is Wednesday. It's a day in my life, so it's gonna be a short vlog. And I can really see that short vlogs really do well on my channel. So yeah, I'm going to deliver in that way. But let me show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm actually wearing these skinny pants, leggings with this crop top. And I'm going to pair it with tote bag and this bucket hat. You know what? I want to look as simple as I can because it's sunny and I know it's going to get very hot there. So I'm going to wear this for the meantime. My hair is a mess. Forget about it. But we're going to get a wash and then get the braids. Let me show you guys the braids that I'm going to use. I'm actually loving this mix between colors. Like, let me show you. I got it when I went to the market. And it's 3 different colors. I don't know, I'm not into black braids anymore. So these are the colors that I'm gonna use. This one, and then this one. This is the darling hair, and I have the lash, 2 extensions of the lash. And I have this one, which is like the gels you're going to leave out. So I got these 2 to help, like to really help with my style. But I have dandruff, okay, and my natural hair with the dandruff is so bad, so I use this to wash my hair before like I even think of braiding it, and it really helps. So yeah, my dandruff doesn't allow me to keep my braids for long, but I plan to keep this one for long because you know, I'm really into the style. And yeah, so we are going to head out. I'm going to call an Uber so I can go and catch you guys when I get there. Okay, happy Wednesday, welcome to a day in my life. My name is Bambi. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. We are going to get braids at an African braider shop. Okay, bye.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out.
Hi loves, voice over time. So I needed to wash my hair, so they did that for me, and they had to like stretch out the extension, mix the color. But this is the shop, and I can't believe how my hair has grown. The black line, the black hair, the root shows you how grown my hair is. So she began braiding my hair, and they got me lunch. So sweet of them, but I paid with my money though. And yeah, she actually did this braid for 7 hours. I went there around 10 and I left there around 4, and it was like a beautiful experience. They were so friendly. She was so skilled and very fast. After me, I actually went there at the right time because there weren't a lot of people at the shop. Someone was braiding the hair before I got there, and after me, she had like 2 people sitting and waiting to get their hair braided. But I must say, her skills and her professionalism is so high. I am sold. This hair is like almost to my calf, if I may say, and she spent like 7 hours on it, and I only paid 100 for this. That is $8 or more, and I'm just shocked. I bought the extensions myself, as I showed you guys earlier, but she did a very great job and I'm impressed. So this is the hair. I was so tired. I wanted to sleep at some point, but yeah, this is the braid and I'm so in love. Catch you guys in another vlog. It's a bye for me. Thanks loves for watching. Bye.
Heavy on my